So here we go, ladies and gentlemen, the countdown begins in 3, let me hear you, 2, 1, take it away. Woo! And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the new council lineup, the Neo QLED and our all-new Bespoke Top Mount Freeze refrigerator. And with that, media friends, we're going to continue on with this first photo op. And now I'd like to invite Mr. Denny to slowly make his way over to the TV zone after this. But first, can we please look to the center, Mr. Denny, then right down the middle to our official photographers, over to the left-hand side. If you can look to the media on the left, Mr. Denny. On your left and on your right. We're going to face our media friends on the left, okay? We still have a lot more media friends here on the left, so keep smiling, facing forward to our media friends on your left. One more for our media friends on the right. Perfect. Over as well. We're going to do 2 photo opportunities here. One will be a solo photo of Mr. Denny Kim, and after this, we're going to have a group picture with a couple more of our VIPs. So first and foremost, if we can have Mr. Denny looking straight ahead, keep looking forward, right down the center. One more for our media friends on the left-hand side here. Let's see your left, Mr. Denny. Keep looking to the left, keep looking to the left, and hold that smile a little bit longer. Back to the center before we proceed to the right. All right, looking towards the center, and now over to the right-hand side. All right, now ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to welcome Mr. Sunny Choi, Business Director of TV and Sound Device Business of Samsung Malaysia Electronics, together with Mr. Calvin Yap, our Head of TV and Sound Device Business of Samsung Malaysia Electronics, to join Mr. Denny. All right, so once again, looking straight down the middle center, and we can all look at the center. One more for our media friends on the left-hand side, if you can face the left-hand side. Next smile. And one more down the middle in the center.
Thank you.
Photographer. Hold that pose down the middle, a little bit longer. And one more here on the right-hand side, Mr. Denny. And here on the right. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome Nguyen Tan, Head of Digital